Which stainless steel air fryer is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't as easy as it looks. With so many claiming to be the best, it's hard to tell what really works. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the 5 that actually stand out. Product number 1, Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT. Let's start with the Cosori TurboBlaze. This thing caught my eye because it's not just another basic air fryer, it's packed with smart tech and a sleek dark gray finish that actually looks good on your counter. At $114, it sits right in that sweet spot between budget and premium. If you want serious crunch without deep frying guilt, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cosori's TurboBlaze tech uses a 3600 RPM fan and hits up to 450 degrees F, which means faster, crispier results even on busy weeknights. The 5-level fan speed and precise temp control from 90 degrees F to 450 degrees F let you go from dehydrating fruit to searing chicken without guesswork. And with 9 cooking functions, including proof, dehydrate, and reheat, it replaces multiple appliances. Now, some people complained about the square basket making it harder to fit round foods like pizzas. Here's the thing though, most air fryer baskets are round, so this takes a little getting used to. But honestly, the extra depth and surface area more than make up for it, especially when you're cooking for 3-4 people. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, feature-rich air fryer that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you regularly cook whole pizzas or need a round basket for easier stirring. For under $120, it's one of the best value picks out there. Product number 2, Emeril Lagasse 26QT French Door. Now, if the Cosori's size felt a bit tight for big family meals, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a beast, literally. At 26 quarts, it can rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or fit a 12-inch pizza with room to spare. Priced at $216, it's definitely an investment. But if you entertain or have a large household, it might be exactly what you need. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a full countertop oven with 24 cooking functions. The dual-speed fan delivers 360 degrees hot air circulation for even crisping, and the French doors with interior lighting make it feel like a real oven. You can air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, and even toast, all with automatic shutoff and programmable timers. It's ideal for Sunday roasts, weeknight wings, or even holiday sides. Plus, the stainless steel exterior gives your kitchen a high-end look. Now, some people complained about the size. It's huge and takes up serious counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're replacing a toaster, oven, and air fryer, that footprint starts to make sense. But if you're tight on space or only cook for 1-2, this might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you host often or want one appliance to do it all. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen or don't need toaster oven functions. For multi-cooking power, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, Cuisinart TOA NUS 8-in-1. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for home chefs who want precision. The Cuisinart TOA 70 NAS is an 8-in-1 air fryer toaster oven with a stainless steel build and serious cooking chops. At $239, it's one of the pricier picks, but Cuisinart's reputation for durability shows. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1800 watts of power and Air Advantage tech, it uses a top-mounted fan and heater for optimized airflow, meaning faster preheating and more even cooking. You can toast 6 slices, air fry 3 pounds of wings, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The wide temp range from warm to 450 degrees F gives you full control, and the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff keeps things safe. Plus, it comes with a ceramic non-stick grill, baking pan, and air fry basket, everything you need right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the analog dials feeling outdated compared to digital displays. Here's the thing though, those dials are actually more durable and less likely to fail over time. And once you get used to them, they're surprisingly intuitive. This is perfect for you if you value build quality and don't mind a slightly retro interface. Skip this one if you prefer touchscreens or app connectivity. For a reliable, all-in-one workhorse, Cuisinart delivers. Product number 4, Chefman 8QT Turbo Fry. Now, if you're looking for max capacity without the toaster oven bulk, this next one's a game changer. The Chefman 8QT Turbo Fry offers one of the largest baskets in its price range, holding enough for a full meal for 4-5 people. At $114, it's a steal for the size, and the stainless steel exterior keeps it looking sharp. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Turbo Fry function cranks the heat to 450 degrees F in the final minutes for that golden, crispy finish, perfect for fries or chicken tenders. It also has a frozen mode that defrosts and crisps in one go, which is a lifesaver for busy nights. The touchscreen is easy to use, and the LED shake reminder halfway through cooking ensures even results. Plus, the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze. Now, some people complained about the plastic parts on the exterior feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, the main cooking chamber and basket are solid, and for the price, it's a fair trade-off. Just don't expect premium metal everywhere. This is perfect for you if you want big batch cooking on a budget. Skip this one if you're picky about all-metal construction. For sheer capacity and smart features under $120, it's a standout. Product number 5, Ninja SB151 8-in-1. Finally, if counter space is your biggest enemy, the Ninja SB151 might be your hero. This 8-in-1 air fryer toaster oven flips up to store vertically, taking up 50% less space. At $190, it's mid-range, but the design innovation is what sets it apart. You can air fry up to 4 pounds, bake a 12-inch pizza, or toast 6 slices. It's also 80% more energy efficient than a full oven, so it saves on electricity. The wide temp range from 85 degrees F to 450 degrees F covers everything from dehydrating to searing. Now, some people complained about the smaller interior capacity compared to its footprint. Here's the thing though, it's designed for efficiency, not bulk. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or want to free up counter space. Skip this one if you regularly cook for large groups. For smart design and solid performance, Ninja nails it. So which one's right for you? The Cosori TurboBlaze wins for best value, the Emerald Lagos for large families, the Cuisinart for build quality, the Chefman for max capacity, and the Ninja for small spaces. Each has its strengths and a few trade-offs. But one thing's clear, you don't need to spend a fortune to get crispy, delicious results. Thanks for watching. Drop your favorite in the comments below.